What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I put a lot of belief in XRP. And honestly, that's what you want to do when you feel like you are all in on a cryptocurrency, not necessarily just money wise, just mentally. I feel like I really don't want to see anything else succeed rather than XRP, even though I have so many other cryptocurrencies in my possession and I do want to see them succeed. It's just I feel as though when we talk about crypto, if anybody mentions crypto to me, I instantly think of XRP. I don't think of Bitcoin. I don't think of Ethereum. I don't think of anything that else that's there unless they mention it. I'm strictly thinking about XRP and the damage that it's going to have. Not negative damage, positive damage to our current monetary system. I think with the value that XRP provides, the potential value as well, that XRP is a more valuable cryptocurrency than Bitcoin. And you may be looking at me and going, it's currently not. You are wrong. It is not more valuable than Bitcoin because Bitcoin is sitting at a $1.5 trillion market cap. No matter what the scale actually tells you, it's like you're weighing like two fighters, right? You have, a featherweight fighter and you have a heavyweight fighter. The heavyweight fighter weighs so much more. But just because the heavyweight fighter is heavier doesn't mean that he is more skilled. Doesn't mean that he is not better. Doesn't mean that his future won't be more of a success than this heavyweight fighter. I mean, in most cases, if you're talking about professionals in boxing, of course, you're not going to have a featherweight that goes up against a heavyweight. But in amateur um, conversations, let's say, or an amateur situation, you might have a featherweight that is way more skilled and can take down this heavyweight very, very easily. And that's what I'm thinking is the case with XRP. I don't necessarily think that XRP is a featherweight. I think that XRP is probably more of a, let's say, middleweight, right? And you have Bitcoin that's leading the charge and will be very, very powerful just based on nostalgia. But that's pretty much it. Like um, it is a play that people are holding for that store of value, and that is it. Not to utilize it, it's to just say, I have Bitcoin because Bitcoin is leading the market. Eventually, Bitcoin will not be leading the market. Then why are you investing into Bitcoin? Nostalgia, right? That's pretty much it. So I want to talk to you about XRP's value and why it is more valuable than Bitcoin currently. If you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, I have a link in the description. If you use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus on your first time deposit. Extra bonuses up to $10,055 and enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. They also allow you to trade up to a 500x leverage on various cryptos with no VPN and no KYC that's required. And if you want to just test it out, they have a demo trading platform as well that you can, see if you can be profitable, right? So definitely check that out. Link will be at the top of the description. Now, for XRP, let's just throw everything out here. If we go back to CoinMarketCap and we look at the most valuable cryptocurrencies, we're going to see that Bitcoin is the most valuable cryptocurrency at $1.6 trillion, not billion dollars, $1.6 trillion of a market cap, while XRP sits at an $89 billion market cap. Clearly, it is not more valuable than it is from a money standpoint and just looking at it by market cap. But I believe that XRP is more valuable than Bitcoin because of many reasons. One, the connections to real world things, not necessarily just, hey, I'm going to use Bitcoin because Bitcoin's one of the most popular, if not the most popular cryptocurrency that's out there. Many people know it. If you talk about cryptocurrency, even if you know nothing about crypto, you still will know about Bitcoin. By word of mouth, by popularity, you know about that. But by use, by potentially adding it into our financial system, you don't know how you would utilize Bitcoin or anything about that. XRP would be that next best thing, would be the best thing to do so. So, from a value standpoint, we're looking at it and saying 1.6 trillion, but from a use standpoint, we can say XRP could be more usable in the end, and currently it is. How many of them have more connections with banks? Well, Bitcoin is talked about within there and accepted by a lot of the traditionalists and major players in the game. However, XRP is more in that conversation of, hey, we can use this, or we can use this somehow, some way, whether it's person to person, business to business, bank to bank, country to country, right? Whatever it is, you can utilize it and you trust it. It is a US cryptocurrency, meaning that now you have that push to it as well, making it more valuable to United States investors, right? Or even people that value the United States financial system and what we put into it, right? Value the US dollar and value US companies. XRP is that, Ripple is that, right? When it comes to potential for an investor like me, what holds or gives you more of a chance to succeed? What do you think? Bitcoin, which currently sits at a $78,000 level, or XRP that sits at a $1.45 level? What do people value more? What is let me ask this question. If a stock is trading at $2,000, what are they now thinking about if the stock is trading at $2,000? You probably guessed it, a split. They're looking to decrease the value, or at least the surface value, what's in front of our face, of what that stock cost. It's not necessarily devaluing the company, because the company could be $1 trillion and then they decide to split and it's still worth $1 trillion. It's just more stock is available. That's kind of what they decide to do. So people value lower priced investments first, but also what has the potential to grow a lot further? Something that's already worth 1.5 trillion, 1.6 trillion, or something that's worth 80 or 90 billion dollars. You're probably going to go with the 80 or 90 billion dollars. It has the potential to get to hundreds of billions or trillions. If Bitcoin increases by double, right? 100%, it gets to a $160,000 price point, which is also a $3 trillion market cap. Have we ever been there? No, most people don't value something that has to get to an historic level for any cryptocurrency. They value the things that have the potential to get to these levels. If it doubles, if XRP doubles, it gets to a $180 billion market cap. Has it gotten there before? Yes, it has. It got to a $210 billion market cap. Have we seen any cryptocurrency above a $200 billion market cap? Yes, we have. We have Ethereum. We have BNB that got to, I believe, a $200 billion market cap, if I'm not mistaken. If not, it got close. We have Bitcoin, and XRP got above that, right? So you have various cryptocurrencies that have been above the $200 billion market cap, and two of them that have been above 300 or 400 billion, getting to 500 billion. And then obviously Bitcoin being at 1.5, $2 trillion. So it is more valuable to investors. It's more valuable to users. It's more valuable for the financial system of the world, the monetary system of the world, not necessarily just a single country. So why is it not more valuable than Bitcoin right now? Because Bitcoin has the nostalgia. It leads the market. It's going to lead the market for a while. And then eventually you'll see altcoins that pick up and things are going to be worth more than Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, no offense to anybody else and anybody that invests into it, it does nothing, right? It doesn't do anything. It doesn't provide any type of major value. And I don't want to speak down on Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will still have success, major success, but not because of a heavy use case, because of people that are like, this is first and it will always be here. Not because I'm going to pay you with Bitcoin. Well, I could just pay you with XRP and it'll happen a lot quicker, right? So, and it'll be more efficient, right? It's just better overall. So when it comes to value, there's more than just what you are looking at here. Oh, it's 1.6 trillion. Bitcoin is more valuable. For sure, you can look at it that way. But if I'm looking for an investment, I'm looking for something that's going to have massive potential. If I'm looking for a cryptocurrency, I'm looking for something that I can utilize in the end. I'm looking for something that's making connections and partnerships and within conversations, not only just business conversations, but governmental conversations, that has so many open doors and we don't know which one we're going to go through. That's the type of opportunity, that's the type of value that I'm looking for. Does that make sense? Maybe it doesn't to a Bitcoin maxi or even an Ethereum maxi that believes that Ethereum is the next best thing. And you can believe whatever you want. I'm not going to clown you or be upset at you for believing in what you believe. But my belief is that XRP is more valuable than Bitcoin now, and will be more valuable in front of your face on the surface level later on. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.